Hi students, today we are discussing SOF Science Olympiad Foundation International English Olympiad 2024-25 Part 1A Question and Answers Level 1 Class 3 SET B Total questions 35 and time 1 hour. First questions. SOF International Olympiad of English Language 2024-25 Third Standard Level 1 Questions and Answers Word and Structures Knowledge. For questions 1 to 7, choose the correct options to fill in the blanks. First questions. The carpenter is using the dash to cut the wood. The answer of these questions D. Saw. The brief answer and the explanation of these questions step by step. The carpenter is using the dash to cut the wood. X usually used to chop wood logs, not for precise cutting in carpentry. Shovel used for digging soil or not cutting wood. Rake used to gather leaves or soil, not for cutting. Saw, the correct tool for cutting wood in carpentry. So answer is D. Saw. Question number 2. There is dash inside the box. Don't open it. Here answer of these questions B. Nothing. The brief answer and the explanation of these questions. There is dash inside the box. Don't open it. Anything would be used in the questions or negative forms. Is there anything inside the box? Doesn't fit here with don't open it as a statement. And nothing means the box is empty, so it makes sense to say there is nothing inside the box. None used with referring to a group. None of the apples are fresh. None of the apples are fresh. Not correct here. Everyone refer to people, so it makes no sense here. So the final answer is B. Nothing. Question number 3. The match got cancelled. Dash of the rain. The answer of these questions. Because the match got cancelled. Dash of the rain. The brief answer and the explanation of these questions. Because fit well. Because of the rain means the rain was the reason. Brief explanations. As could also mean since, but usually as of the rain is not standard. Unless means if not, which changes the meaning. So would require a complete classes after it, so it was cancelled, not of the rain. So the final answer is A. Because. Question number 4. Do you know how to read this? The answer of this question C. Map. The brief answer and the explanation of these questions. Why the other options don't fit? A. Puzzle. Puzzle is usually something you put together or solve, or something you read to find locations. B. Maze. A maze is a puzzle with dead ends and the goal to escape, but there are no blocked path or traps. It is just showing route. D. Globe. A globe is a 3D model of Earth, not a flat drawing of roads in a small area. So finally, therefore, do you know how to read this map? Is the correct choice. So final answer is C. Map. Question number 5. At dash time will you reach? The answer of these questions. What? The brief answer and the explanation of these questions. A. How is incorrect. We say how how long will it take, or how will you reach, but not at how time. Option B, what is correct? The correct phrase is at what time. When asking about a specific clock time, C, when. When will you reach is correct, but with at dash time we specifically use what, not when. D, why, incorrect. Why is for asking reasons, not time. Question number 6. Amit lost his dash and fell down. Answer of these questions, D, balance. The answer of these questions and brief explanations. A, movement. Movement means physical motion, not stability. B, movement. Movement means a short period of time, doesn't fit the context. C, posture. Posture means body positions, but losing posture is not a natural phrase for falling. And D, balance. Balance is the correct. If you lose your balance, you lose stability and can fall. Question number 7. Joy and Ronnie always dash together. The answer of these questions, study. The brief answer and explanation of these questions. Joy and Ronnie always dash together. Subject. Joy and Ronnie is the subject. This is the two people, so it is a plural subject rule. With the plural subjects, we use the base form of the verb. So S is ending the present tense. Study is the correct, and studies is only for singular. Example, she studies, and studying needs a helping verb or studying, and is studying is singular. So the final answer is A, study. The same active voice and passive voice. The simple present tense, I will write a letter. A letter is written by me, and he writes a letter is written by him. Past tense, I wrote a letter, he wrote a letter. I wrote a letter was written by me. He wrote a letter was written by him. Future tense, I will write a letter will be written by me. He will write a letter will be written by him. Present continuous, I am writing a letter is being written by me. He is writing a letter is being written by him. He is discussing, that is being discussed. And past continuous, I was writing a letter was being written by me. He was writing a letter was being written by him. Future continuous tense, I will be writing a letters and he will be writing a letters. There is no passive form. And the same way, present perfect tense, I have written a letter has been written by me. He has written a letter has been written by him. Past perfect tense, I had written a letter had been written by me. He had written a letter had been written by him. Future perfect tense, I will have written a letter will have been written by me. He will have written a letter will have been written by me. And finally, past perfect continuous tense, I have been writing a letter, he has been writing a letter, I had been writing a letter, he had been writing a letter for the past perfect continuous tense. And finally, future perfect continuous tense, I will have been writing a letter, he will have been writing a letter. And the same way, the passive voice, no passive form for present perfect continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense, and future perfect continuous tense. Question number 8. I have looked for the keys everywhere. The answer of these questions, adverb. The brief answer and explanation of these questions. Everyone tells us where the actions happened. Words that describes how, when, where, or to what extent an action happens are adverbs. Everyone is adverbs of place. Under noun definitions, a noun is a word that names a person's place, thing, or idea. Example persons: teachers, Ravi, doctor. And place examples: schools, Mumbai, park. Think examples: book, chair, computer. Idea example: freedom, happiness. Truth sentence: truth. Truth sentence. And examples: the teacher is reading a book in the library. And second, verb definitions. A verb is a word that shows an action, event, or state of being. Examples: run, eat. Right state of being: is, was, or event, happen. Event, happen, and occur. Sentence example: she runs every morning. Runs is the action verb. And conjunction definition. A conjunction is a word that connects words, place, or classes. Type: coordinating conjunctions and, but, or, so, yet. Subordinating conjunctions: because, although, if, when. Correlative conjunctions: either or, neither nor, both and. Sentence examples: I wanted to go to the park, but it was raining. But joining to classes. Question number 9. Sheena stared at the windows constantly. The answer of these questions is verb. The brief answer and the explanation of these questions. Sheena stared at the window constantly. The word stared is something you do. It's an actions. Actions, words, or verb. Actions. Answer is C, verb. Question number 10. My parents bought an old apartment and renovated it. The answer of these questions: brought and old. The answer of this question, the brief explanation and answer of these questions. My parents bought an old apartment and renovated it. The word brought means carried here, but the intended meanings is purchased, which should be bought. Error is in brought and old. Answer is B, brought and old. The brief explanations: my parents bought an old apartment and renovated it. Brought carried something here, past of being, but here meanings is purchased, so it should be bought. The error is in bought and old. Answer is brought and old. And thank you for watching this video.